Hello guys, welcome back to my channel again. In this video, I'll show you how do you get a TikTok contact from your Facebook or any other social media platform. Then what you need to do, I'll tell you. Firstly, I want to tell you that if you are looking for this topic, then this video is for you, and don't skip any single of frames from this video. First, go to TikTok apps and go to new option. After that, you need to connect your TikTok with your Facebook ID and or Instagram ID. First, you need to go and edit profile option. Then on the middle side, you will see Instagram or YouTube option. There is no Facebook option. And what I need to do, you can see three dot option. Then you can connect your account with a Facebook. So I think you need to log in your account by Facebook, as like go to add account, and you need to sign up your TikTok account with a Facebook or Google. And if you continue with the Facebook, then it will be sign up by your Facebook account. Then go to home. Then you can see your Facebook user list, or you can see videos of your Facebook friends. I think you guys understand our videos. If you are enjoying our video, then please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. Bye bye, we'll see you in the next video.